Pella Corporation is a family-owned and professionally managed windows and door manufacturing. Growth is our biggest business challenge. We are continuously growing year after year, and we have been for the last few years, and the plan is to continue. Our team plays a crucial role in designing and implementing a reliable system for our Oracle applications and databases. It's only natural to use Oracle Linux, which is engineered for Oracle applications. Oracle Linux and VM give us the ability to scale up and scale out, and gives us the reliability that we require for our manufacturing needs. Before we ran on Oracle virtual machines, we were running our applications on HPUX pa-risc physical servers. Today, 95% of our Linux servers are running on Oracle Linux, and all of our Linux VMs run in Oracle VM. Some of the results that we've been able to measure is a large drop in CPU utilization from our physical servers. We went from 50% utilization on the pa-risc systems down to 5% on our Oracle Linux VMs. That means we were able to save about 5 times in server costs. We saw several advantages with Oracle virtualization, specifically the licensing savings that came with pinning CPUs to specific VMs. We saw a savings of 75% coming from physical servers to virtualization. With the reliability that Oracle Linux provides, I'm spending less time fighting fires and more time innovating.